Second job for the Snake Bite Emergency Repair Kit.
Who are you?
That's not important. What you need is Snake Bite Emergency Repair Kit. The feet are left exposed to identify the body.
Thank you, Snake Bite Emergency Repair Kit.
The Snake Bite Emergency Repair Kit, usually a value of $100, but for this one-time offer only, you can get it for 6 easy payments of $19.99. And we'll also throw in a free oven mitt in case you want to cremate the body. So call now. That's the Snake Bite Emergency Repair Kit.